Selena, Class 10, Chapter 22, Heights and Distances. Exercise 22b, sum number 1. In the figure given below, it is given that AB is perpendicular to BD and is of x meters. DC equal to 30 meters. Angle ADB 30 degree and angle ACB equal to 45 degree. Without using table, find x. In triangle ABC, AB upon BC equal to tan 45 degree. Tan 45 is 1. Therefore, AB is equal to BC equal to x. In triangle ABD, tan 30 degree is AB upon BD. Imply AB is x, BD is x plus 30 equal to tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Cross multiply root 3x equal to 30 plus x. Take x to the left hand side minus x. Root 3 minus 1 into x equal to 30. X equal to 30 upon 1.732 minus 1 equal to 40.98 meters. Sum number 2. Find the height of the tree when it is found that on walking away from it 20 meters in the horizontal line through its base, the elevation of its top changes from 60 degree to 30 degree. Let AB be the tree of height h meters and let the 2 points be C and D such that CD equal to 20 meters. Therefore, angle ADB equal to 30 degree, angle ACB equal to 60 degree. In triangle ABC, tan 60 degree is AB upon BC, tan 60 degree equal to root 3. Implies BC equal to AB upon root 3 equal to H upon root 3. Now, in triangle ABD, AB upon BD equal to tan 30 degree implies AB is H upon 20 plus BC equal to 1 upon root 3. Cross multiply root 3H is equals to 20 plus BC is H upon root 3. Okay. Therefore, H is equal to 20 upon root 3 minus 1 upon root 3. Multiply by root 3 on both the sides. So, root 3 upon root 3. So, 3 minus 1 upon root 3 which is equal to 2 upon root 3, 2 upon 1.732 which is equal to 1.154 equal to 20 upon 1.154. H is equal to 17.32 meters. Hence, the height of the tree is 17.32 meters. Sum number 3. Find the height of a building when it is found that on walking towards it 40 meters in the horizontal line through its base, the angular elevation of its top changes from 30 degree to 45 degree. Let AB be the building of height h meter and let the 2 points C and D be such that CD equal to 40 meters. Therefore, angle ADB equal to 30 degree, angle ACB equal to 45 degree. In triangle ABC, AB upon BC equal to tan 45. Tan 45 equal to 1. Therefore, the BC equal to AB which is equal to H. In triangle ADB, AB upon BD is equal to tan 30 degree implies AB is H, BD 40 plus H equal to tan 30 degree 1 upon root 3. Cross multiply root 3H equal to 40 plus H. Therefore, H is equals to 40 upon root 3 minus 1 equal to 40 upon 0.732 equal to 54.64 meters. Hence, height of the building is 54.64 meters. Sum number 4. From the top of the lighthouse 100 meter high, the angle of depression of two ships are observed as 48 degree and 36 degree respectively. Find the distance between the two ships in nearest meter if, first part, the ships are on same side of the lighthouse. Second part, the ships are on opposite sides of the lighthouse. Let AB be the lighthouse and two ships B, C and D such that angle ADB equal to 36 degree, angle ACB equal to 48 degree. In triangle ABC, AB upon BC equal to tan 48 degree. AB is 100, therefore BC equal to 100 upon tan 48 degree, which is equal to 1.1106. Therefore BC equal to 90.04 meters, nearly equal to 90 meters. In triangle ADB, AB upon BD equal to tan 36 degree, therefore BD equal to 100 upon tan 36, which is equal to 0.7265. 100 upon 0.7265 is equal to 137.64 meters, which is nearly equal to 138 meters. If the ships are on same side of the lighthouse, then the distance between the two ships will be BD minus BC equal to 48 meters. If the ships are on opposite side of the lighthouse, then distance between the two ships equal to BD plus BC equal to 228 meters. Sum number 5. Two pillars of equal height stand on either side of a roadway which is 150 meter wide. At a point in a roadway between the two pillars, the elevation of the top of the pillar are 60 degree and 30 degree. Find the height of the pillar and the position of the point. Let AB and CD be the two towers of height h meters. Let P be the point in the roadway BD such that BD is equal to 150 meters and angle APB equal to 60 degree, angle CPD equal to 30 degree. In triangle ABP, AB upon BP equal to tan 60 degree implies BP is equals to H upon tan 60 equal to H upon root 3. In triangle CDP, CD upon DP equal to tan 30 degree implies PD equal to tan 30 is root 3 into H. Sorry, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, cross multiply, so and CD is H, so PD equal to root 3 H. Now 150 is equal to BP plus PD. BP is root 3H plus PD is H upon root 3. Therefore H is equal to, here H is common, root 3 plus 1 upon root 3. Therefore H is equal to 150 upon root 3 plus 1 upon root 3. Multiply by root 3 here on both the sides, we will get 3 upon root 3. 3 plus 1, 4 upon root 3. 4 upon 1.732, it's equal to 2.309. H is equal to 150 upon 2.309 is equal to 64.95 meters. Hence, height of the pillar is 64.95 meters and the point is BP upon root 3 from the first pillar. That is, the position of the point is 64.95 upon root 3 from the first pillar. The position of the point is 37.5 meter from the first pillar.